Okay, this video is just for help if you need understanding how to complete this 6A rock sorting lab. So in this lab today, you are going to be using this link right here to go to an interactive website. The interactive website looks like this. I do expect you to read through each page. It's basically an interactive slideshow. And so then once you're done reading the page, you'll go to the bottom where there is a red link, and this red link says begin with types of rocks. Once you click it, it's going to load. I'm sorry, my computer is loading very slow, but types of rocks is the title for this page. And if you look over here, types of rocks is the title for this question. It tells you to list the 6 key characteristics that can help you identify different rocks. And then I've listed 1 through 6 below. As you read through the page, you'll take a look, and towards the bottom here is a, sorry, my computer is glitching out. Here is a table here with the 6 key characteristics. Once you're done answering the question, go to the next page by clicking the red link at the bottom. Basically, that's how you do the entire assignment. Is just you do whatever the page tells you to do, reading the information or doing an interactive thing. On this page, this is interactive because you do a rock collection, and then you go to the next page, which is identify rock types, and then you'll see rock collection does have something here. Identify rock types has a question here. So each page has 1 or 2 questions per page, and they're labeled to match. If you have any questions further, please make sure to email me.